Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about one of the popular platforms that offers freelance opportunities and different remote job opportunities. And one of the jobs that the company is offering is a social media evaluator job. And this is for India location and this is for Hindi. So this is for people who are aware of Hindi language and so the name of the company is Appen. You might be aware of this company. This is Appen, and Appen is a very popular company. This is a global firm that offers different remote job or work from home opportunities. So let's check out about the company and the role. So here's the company website, and here it says that work for Appen. We are looking for people from all over the world to participate in some of our many exciting work from home opportunities. These opportunities range from simple surveys that can be completed in less than 1 hour to ongoing projects that last for months or longer. Leverage your social media interest, mobile device savviness, your college degree in linguistics, online research skills, or passion for images, video, or audio. With so many diverse projects, chances are we have got something for you. So unleash your passion for AI, social media, linguistic, online research, search evaluation, or your creative flair for images, video, or audio on our platform. With a diverse range of projects uniquely tailored to a wide range of talents, we likely have the perfect match for your skills and interests. So they have a variety of work from home job opportunities that you can choose from, and it depends that which kind of job you are interested in. However, in this video, I'm going to discuss about the social media evaluator job at Appen. So here, let's check out about the role. So here it says that uh, join the Appen team as an independent contractor for Project YOLO P. Our project detecting lies on social media is all about getting people like you involved in finding and researching fake information online. We want to focus on things that happened recently and could cause some real problems if people believe them. So this is mainly about like social media evaluator kind of job where you will be researching about social media content and to know that whether content is real or having like fake kind of information. Now here are the key skills or key requirements that the company is looking for this project. So you must be currently located in India, first thing, and you should be fluent in Hindi and have proficiency in English. As I already mentioned that you should be aware of Hindi language and to work on this project. And then you must be able to provide your valid social media profile. So you should have some social media profiles already, like on Facebook or like LinkedIn, and then you must have an educational degree. So these are some of the simple skills or requirements that the company is looking for this project. And let's check out how to work on the project. So here it says that how we do it. Check the facts. So you need to check the facts. We want you to compare what is said in social media posts with reliable information to see if it is true. And you need to keep up with what is happening. You need to use trending maps, check maps that show what is popular to guide your searches, and you need to watch for repeat liars. You have to find and keep an eye on people or places that often share fake stuff, and you need to try different ways. You have to look at other sources and try different methods to find out what is not true. And what we are looking for is for a post to be worth checking, it must come from social media and be recent within the last 7 or 14 days. So you have to check for social media posts that are recent and like around that are from last 7 days to 14 days, and you have to like be about something in the social media posts need to be about something that could seriously fool people, not just little mistakes. or those social media posts are not just someone's opinion, a joke, or a fight between businesses. So you have to check all these criteria while checking or while evaluating the social media posts. Now here is what you need to show. So you need to make sure it doesn't have any made up information, missing details, or fake pictures. You have to check it is from the last week or two, and has at least 15 shares or comments, or like or 100 views if it is a video. And you have to make sure you haven't sent us the same thing before, and you need to share the link to the you need to share the link to the post. You need to give us a link to proof, like a fact checking site, and you need to summarize what the post is saying and how you checked it. So you have to this is the way you have to work on the project. So first you need to you have to make sure that what is the misinformation or the fake information is about, and you have to check if it is the latest, or if it has been shared like around at least 15 times, or it has comments, and it has more than 100 views if it is a video. And so you have to also you have to provide the proof to links, so that they can check the fact. And you have to summarize the post, and saying that you have already checked everything on your own. So here it says that how to find stuff to check. So to find what is need to be checked is like you need to use Google to find out what people are talking about, and you need to look at the news on Google to see what is going on. You need to try different searches and look for what is popular. You need to check social media for pages that often share things that are not true, especially if they are talking about hot topics. So you have to keep these things in mind while checking the social media posts. So this was all about the role of like social media evaluator, and the compensation varies depending on the work or the time required in the project. So here it says that if your application is successful, you will receive an email from Appen regarding setting up your personalized account in Appen account. From here, you simply reset your password to gain access to your account, and the project will be ready and waiting. By joining in, you are helping make social media a more honest and reliable place. Together, we can stop the spread of lies online. So it is everything about checking out fake information over social media. So this is a good job. If you are interested, you can apply through this link. And here is the application form. You can fill out the application form. This is easy, and you need to provide your resume, name, email ID, phone number, current location where you are residing. For example, in here this job is for India, so you can provide here like India, and then current company, links for your LinkedIn URL or Facebook URL. So you must have your profiles on in LinkedIn or like Facebook or both. And here are some of the questions: in which country are you currently residing? So you have to provide this. And then in which US state, if you are from the US state, you have to provide your state as well. And then primary language spoken, so you need to provide like you are if you are a Hindi, if you speak Hindi, you need to provide your primary language as Hindi, and then additional language as like English or any other language if you speak. And then highest education level, so you have to provide that. You have to provide like if you have a master's degree or bachelor's degree or postgraduate, so anything you have to provide that. And then you have to provide like desired pay rate. So the here is a list of pay rates. So it says like if you are interested in the job, you can expect an earning of like $11 to $20 per hour, $21 to $30 per hour, or less than $11 per hour. So it depends on you and the project. and the complexity of the project or the time required for the project. And here you have to provide like available hours to work per week. So like you can choose either like 20 hours or 25 hours or 15 hours. So it depends how much hours you would like to give for this job per week. And then additional information if you want to provide any cover letter, etc. So it is not required, it is optional. And then here you can provide US equal employment. So yeah, you can provide here your gender, race, and veteran status. So if you are male, female, or like if you don't want to provide yourself, if you don't want to provide your identity, it is okay. And then to provide your race and the veteran status, as we are not from, if you're from India, you're not a veteran, US veteran, so you can provide that and then click here and then submit the application. So this is a good job, and I think you must check out the website as well as about the social media evaluator job. And if you like the opportunity, go ahead and apply for the job and see. So thank you for listening.